Hi everyone, today we are focusing on those lower abdominal muscles as well as the upper back. Hi, I'm Alyssa and I work with Hershey Family Chiropractic. For this exercise, we're going to be doing a ball side bend. So you want to find a small 9-inch ball. The placement of it's going to depend on where that scoliosis curve is inside of you. So if you don't remember, please ask the doctor next time you're in office with us. You're going to lay on top of that ball, bringing that lower arm all the way flat, extending that upper arm, and you're going to let gravity and the ball do all the work for you. You're going to lay on top of that ball for 30 whole seconds before you come up, take a breather, and go right back down to hold for 30 seconds. Hi everyone, for our next exercise, we're going to go down into a bird dog. You're going to bring those hands down to the mat, directly underneath of those shoulders, and bring those knees directly underneath the hips. You're going to extend one arm straight out and then bring that opposite leg out, sucking in that belly button to engage that core. We're going to hold this for 15 seconds, then bring those arms and legs back down, switch to that opposite side, sucking in that belly button again, and hold this for 15. We're going to go back and forth until we hit 3 reps on each side. For our next exercise, we're going into a triangle pose. You're going to start with your feet just a little bit hip width apart. Rotate that toe so it's facing the wall we're starting. Arms straight out. You're going to lean your torso first, reach as far as you can, and then we're going to dip all the way down. Hand goes by that toe. Look up towards that hand. We're going to hold this for 30 seconds before we come up. Switch the position of those feet. Arms out. Lean first, then dip, and hold for another 30 seconds. Performing one time on each side. Today we are going to be doing wall angels. You need to find an open piece of wall that you can span across. You're going to stand with your head, shoulders, butt, and arms flat against that wall. Start at 90 degrees and you're going to slowly work those arms up till they get above your head. Ultimate goal is for them to touch above. You're going to go up as high as you can, hold it for 3 seconds, come back down, and we're going to continue doing this motion until we get 10 reps. Thanks for following along with Scoliosis Phase 1. These exercises should be performed at least 1 time a day, and daytime is what works best for your schedule. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the subscribe button. If you're interested in purchasing any of the items that we used in the video today, they can be found on our website or linked in the description below.